Okay, welcome back to Brook in the Air, coming at you live from Berlin, Germany. Just arrived at the Hotel Palace Berlin after a 35-minute car ride from the airport. It wasn't bad, actually. People here are very nice so far. Of course, I tipped everyone, so that kind of helps. But anyway, here's the room tour of the junior suite. Got my luggage brought up for me. I didn't ask for that, it was service included. Minibar free of charge. Love it. Minibar, room safe, water flat. Ja, seid flat. Hotel Plaza Berlin slippers. And there's the bed, of course. Very, very nice. Oh, that is nice. I can't wait to try that out in just a few minutes here. Because I am exhausted. Oh my god. There's bathroom. Alarm clock, radio, light. I'll leave that on for now. But oh my goodness. It's so nice. We have a sitting area over here. Excuse my luggage. I just kind of dropped it as soon as I walked in. But that's the room. Not bad for the junior suite for 3,500 euros for 10 nights. Not bad at all, really.